Good morning, class 5 children. How are you all? Today we'll start a new chapter number 10. Chapter 10, and the name of the chapter is Children of Courage. Children of Courage. Okay, beta, what do you mean by courage? Courage means an act of doing something which is against its will. कुछ भी करना जो उसके बस में ना हो, उसी को करेज कहते हैं। जिस काम को करने के लिए कोई न तैयार हो और उसी काम को कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति तैयार हो जाता है, उसी को करेज कहते हैं। या फिर स्ट्रगल जो करते हैं लाइफ में, वो करेज से ही करते हैं। करेज का मतलब बेटा हिम्मत हो गया। तो इस चैप्टर में विल स्टडी अबाउट चिल्ड्रन ऑफ करेज। You see all your classmates getting mistreated by some seniors. Sometimes what happens beta, in our school days or in your school days, what happens, some of your classmates, they get mistreated by seniors. Will you be brave enough to help your classmate to stand up against the bullies and face them? Or do you think it is a foolish to get involved in a situation where you can get hurt? But sometimes what happens, when a weaker section of society, when a weak people is cruelly exploited by upper section of society, like stronger section of society, then what happens, some people who have the guts, who have the courage, they come and fight for the weaker section of the society. Despite of the consequences that they will have to face in fighting with the upper section of the society. They fight for the weaker section of the society. But sometimes it is also seen that whenever a weaker section of society or weak person, he is exploited by some stronger agent, then at that time what happens? No one shows the courage to go and help that weak person. Sometimes it also happens. It is also seen in our daily life. But on the contrary, we also see that there are some people who develop the courage and fight for the weaker section of the society, even though they don't have any business in account of their business. Is that clear? So children, let's read the National Bravery Awards. Now we will start from the starting. Now read an account of a young boy from Bihar. Here we will read about a young boy from Bihar who fought with robbers and was awarded the Sanjay Chopra Award for bravery. Here we will read about a young boy from Bihar. He is a young boy from Bihar who fought with robbers. इसने चोरों से लड़ाई की and was awarded the Sanjay Chopra Award for bravery. और उसे संजय चोपड़ा अवार्ड दिया गया था किसके लिए? ब्रेवरी के लिए, बहादुरी के लिए. The National Bravery Award for Indian Children was started in 1957 by the Indian Council of Child Welfare. See children, the National Bravery Award for Indian Children was started in 1957. By the Indian Council. किससे? Indian Council से. For children welfare, किसके लिए? बच्चों के वेलफेयर के लिए. To identify and honor children who have performed outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice. Every year, the ICCW gives these awards to children before 16 years of age. These awards are given to children on Republic Day, January 26. The Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Awards are the two most prized awards among the National Bravery Awards. The awards were instituted in the year 1979 in the memory of the two brave Chopra children who laid down their lives while facing their kidnappers. These two awards are presented to a boy and a girl, respectively, for the acts of bravery. The award includes a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize. Story of Prince Kumar, age 12, from Gaya, Bihar, Sanjay Chopra Award. Beta, we'll study about Prince Kumar, age 12, from Gaya, Bihar, Sanjay Chopra Award. Prince Kumar is a young boy who studies at the Holy Child School in Bihar, Gaya district. Here children, we will study about Prince Kumar. Prince Kumar is a young boy of age 12 who studies at the Holy Child School in Bihar, Gaya district. He loves to watch cricket matches on TV and he's a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar and Shah Rukh Khan. He also watches the countdown shows on television for the latest Hindi film songs. So these are the choices of Prince Kumar, who was a young boy of age 12 from Gaya, Bihar. He likes to play cricket and football with his school friends and his brother Ashish. One more quality of his is that he likes to play cricket and football with his school friends and his brother Ashish, who happens to be his best friend too. And who was his best friend too? He is fond of jalebis and samosas. And tries to assist his father Ramji Prasad run his small jewelry shop in Gaya. His dream is to become an IPS officer. And his dream was to become an IPS officer. Things changed following an incident on 5th November 1999. It was an incident that a year later won him the impressive Sanjay Chopra Award, the nation's second highest award for bravery. Beta, our country's second highest award for bravery is Sanjay Chopra Award. Prince Kumar narrates the story. Now, Prince Kumar is narrating the story. It was 5th November 1999, 2 days before Diwali. He has mentioned the time. It was 5th November 1999, 2 days before Diwali. Since it was the festive season, sales were brisk. My brother Ashish and I were helping daddy in the shop. I left the shop around 11 p.m. and went home. Daddy and Ashish left half an hour later. As they entered the lane leading to our house, they saw two shady-looking young men lurking near. Lurking means to wait or move in a secret way so that one cannot be seen creep around. Daddy hesitated. But Ashish urged him to ignore them. Requested his father to ignore them and kept moving on. When they reached the gate, I opened it. Ashish asked my father to move towards the house while he stood there with me as I was crossing and locking the gate. What happened, children? Ashish he is asking his father to move towards the house while he stood there with me as I was closing and locking the gate. Suddenly 6 or 7 men pushed the gate open. And now suddenly what happens? 6 or 7 men push the gate open. Ashish and I blocked their path. Now what happened? Ashish and I blocked their path. One of them put a revolver to Ashish's head and threatened to shoot him unless we moved out of their way. And among that 7 kidnappers, one of them, what he did, he put a revolver to Ashish's head. And threatened him to shoot him unless we moved out of their way. The threat had no effect on Ashish, who shouted back, "Do not show me this toy." He said, he was so courageous that he said that, "Do not show me this toy." Then suddenly Ashish punched the man with the revolver on his face, making him lose his balance but another man with a revolver hit Ashish on his skull and he fell. Is that clear, beta? So today we'll learn only this much. Tomorrow I will continue with the next part of the story. Till then, try to see this video again and again, and if you have any doubts you can write in the comment box. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.